All right, so explain the situation with probate and your situation with housing.
Oh, the situation with probate is that probate process is another avenue that's used to take our property. Even in instances when there is a will, even in instances where there is no debt, the game is to arbitrarily run debt up on your estate. That's what that hired estate attorney is going to do. He's going to create chaos to make unnecessary delays. That way, they're going to start running a tab on that property. Once that tab gets to where that hired estate attorney desires it to be, then all of a sudden, he can go to the court, to the judge that's presiding over the probate case. In my instance, it's Judge Terrence McGuire. He can go to that judge and get that judge to attempt to force the sale of your property just to pay his attorney fees. Even if that property, that estate has no debt on it. Like in my mother's case, her estate had no debt. And yet, Judge Terrence McGuire can attempt to force us to sell that property to pay the attorney fees. It's a con. And then when you try to fight it, like I did, rather than that judge moving, because I put in a recusal to have him removed, rather than them letting the process be that, you had a corrupt Judge Carolyn Gallagher, who, instead of removing him illegally and wrongfully, put it into public administration. That way is a way to backdoor the accounting fee, the attorney fees. You're going to get your friends in public administration to do it. You have to watch probate. Probate is another way that they're stealing our property. My name is Jessica Jackson, Jessica Jackson, okay? And I'm here, and you know who I am, because I see you at that public board commissioners meeting all the time, so you know exactly who I am. And you know exactly what my issue is as it pertains to the city of Chicago and Cook County stealing Black people's property. Now, I'm here in support of the Harvey community because I learned that you all are trying to move them out. Just like the probate process is used to take Black people's property. Now, I've come to City Hall over and over again, and I've come to the Cook County Commissioner meetings over and over again. I've come to PCB meetings where you're at over and over again. And no one seems to be able to deal with the fact that the probate process is stealing Black people's property. Now, it's not an unknown because everybody that you speak to about it, all organizations, all city officials, all Cook County officials, everybody's response is, yeah, I know, it's been going on for a long time. Yeah, you know how Cook County is. Yeah, you know how Chicago is. So it's not something that's unheard of. What it is a situation that Cook County doesn't want to do anything about. And the reason why they don't want to do anything about it is because, like in my situation, the judges are white, the public administrators are white, the hired estate attorneys are white. So all your Black officials like yourself, Tony Preckwinkle, Timothy Evans, Kwame Raoul, all of you all want to sit and allow this to happen to Black people and have it, you all be the face of it so it can take away the discrimination piece that we all know is the underlying issue as to why it is that Cook County and the city of Chicago are so comfortable with stealing Black people's property. Now, my family's building has been in our family for 61 years. And when my mother died, she had a full-fledged will, no question there. Every dime was paid for. That building has been paid for since I was a teenager. She didn't owe anybody not one red cent, not a credit card, not a medical bill, nothing to the state. No medical bills, no credit cards, no nothing. But Cook County, by way of a crooked hired state attorney, David Feldman, they just want the property. So for 8 years, I've been going through the probate process because public administration got their hooks in it and won't let it go.